Today is Daddy and the Kids Day. Daddy and the Boys Day. I do these videos right here for my mom so she could have something to watch, you know? Be able to see my kids. What's up, son? What you over there doing? Watching videos? We gotta get ready in a minute, okay? So we go to the surprise. Got my other son back there, my first son. This is my first son right here. First name was Rocky. Then I end up naming him Rocky Cito because his little coat looked like a tuxedo. So now his name is Cito. Cito been with me since 2011. Little joker old. So we about to get ready. Hold up, legend. Hold up, boy. So we about to get ready. Go ahead and get on out on this beautiful, what's this, Monday? I don't know. Monday or Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. Let me look on the calendar. Yeah, today is Tuesday the 3rd. Man, I lose track of days these days. What you making all that noise for, boy? All right, we'll catch y'all on this outing today. Where you about to go?
The beach.
To the beach? Is this your little toys in this bag? Here, come get your bag. That's your toys.
And after that, I went right there and I slipped myself down.
You slipped yourself?
Yeah.
You mean you failed?
Yeah.
All right, go get your stuff.
And after
We
that,
about to go to the beach.
after
You ready to go to the beach, legend?
Daddy,
Huh? What's up?
it's on no page. I gotta work with Daddy.
What's up, legend? You ready to go to the beach? You got your shorts on too?
Yeah.
You got your swimsuit on?
Yeah, some pooch.
You got your Paw Patrol swimsuit on?
Yeah. Him and dude. Him dude's got some
Let's go to the beach, man. It's the surprise for the day.
Okay, dudes. You okay, dude?
Is this the surprise for the day?
Yeah.
Since you always talking about going on a surprise, here, get the baby bag.
I like beaches. Daddy, you know, I fall, and after that, I got so cold.
You talking about in the water?
Yeah.
Because the water was cold?
Yeah, this just only splashed.
Oh, okay. Put that backpack on
Okay.
so we could roll on out. Is it too heavy? Here, you got it on the wrong way. Yeah, there you go. Oh, come on. Come on, put it on. I told you, boy, that's why you gotta start doing them push-ups.
I got it.
You got it? All right, let's see. All right, good job. You ready? Let's roll out. What's up, son?
What's up?
You ready to go hit this beach?
I want to go on choo-choo train after.
What car we riding in?
Black car.
That black car, that Cobalt. Still got some moving boxes in the back of it. Got the baby back there. He all comfortable, snugged up. What you gonna go get? You about to go to Taco Bell, go get you one of them cheesy roll-ups? All right.
How to say cheesy roll-up?
Cheesy roll-up?
How to say it?
All right, let's go get another one. What legend back there doing? Little joker back there making noise.
No, him talking.
He talking?
Yeah, like
Legend.
Hey, yo, boo!
All right, thank you. Legend gonna get him some Taco Bell.
Yeah.
We just hanging out right now. Taco Bell, he got him 2 cheesy roll-ups. Legend, what you talking about? Huh? Hold up. Legend, what you talking about? I can't hear you. Oh, okay. Legend back there hanging out.
You just talking like chicken poop.
All right, appreciate you. All right, thank you. Just make sure you got your 2 cheesy roll-ups.
No.
All right, got your 2 cheesy roll-ups. Time to get his little belly full so he can go hit that beach. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's ride.
Well, why they be cooking it quick?
Cause it don't take that long to cook it. And actually drive on the beach. I think it's $20. Hey, what's the fee? Okay, and then the annual pass is $100. So we just gonna buy an annual pass because it's $20 to park. So the annual pass is $100 and I could just drive on anytime. Son, and I know you gonna be wanting to come to the beach a lot. So she about to put on her pass. So good value, good savings. I'm all about it. What's up, son? That boy Legend was back there acting a fool, back there doing all that crying. Little Joker back there had to go run back there and put the little passy in his mouth. But wait till he get out here on this beach, he gonna be ready to go.
Yes, a boo-booch.
Here at the beach.
What's her doing?
What she doing?
She doing.
What her doing? She putting on the parking decals.
No.
So when I come next time, all I gotta do is just pull up. I ain't gotta pay no more $20. Man, we just saved a lot of money for the year. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We good?
Lights must be on.
Okay.
The window must be down.
Okay.
10 miles an hour.
All right.
No texting when you're driving.
Okay.
And please pick up any trash that you see.
All right.
Have a wonderful time.
I appreciate it. Legend, what you back there doing all that crying for? Oh, how convenient this is. Car, beach, sun. He's about to go have fun in the sun. Sun, having fun in the sun. Oh man, that's beautiful. Peaceful. Peaceful. Peaceful, boy. And all I gotta do is just open up the car door. Open it up. Toes gonna be right in the sand.
Toes.
Our toes is in the sand.
Hey, don't be putting this car in sand.
So we are not the same. We are not the same right now. So we done made it. Toes on the sand. Got our beach car back there. The Cobalt. That Chevy Cobalt. I love that car. So we right here, already got our chair set up. Ain't too far. Got the little man. Got his bottle ready. Whenever he start acting up. Son, is it cold? Huh? It's cold. You ready to get on out there? You ready to pop it open? All right. So, you ready to go ahead and get to digging with a shovel. So we about to go ahead and spend some good little father and son time. Get back with y'all later on. Yep.
This
I told you gotta clean it all out first. Man, I gotta have some of the coolest little boys. Look at him, he just looking at me. He just looking at me all in my eyes too. What you looking at? Huh? What you looking at? Joker, little Joker just looking at me all in my eyes. I like playing with his hair.
Daddy.
Look at that.
Daddy.
Look at that, Joker.
Daddy,
Look at that.
I did it, Daddy.
You did it. Now you gotta flip it over.
A little bit. I know how to make it.
You don't know how to make it? All right, let me show you real quick. Hold up real quick.
Come on.
Look at that little Joker hair though. What you laughing at? What you laughing at? He had more hair than you. You was bald.
Yeah, and him that ball.
I know that Joker. He got him a little hair. Look at that little hair on him. Looking like a mohawk. You ready for me to show you? All right. Got him started on his first little sand castle. Don't mess it up, boy. All right. Now, you just touching it up right now, making it look neat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice little sand castle. That's the start of it. That's phase 1 right there.
And now we have to make.
Huh?
And now we have to make a flag.
No, you gotta make another one. You gotta put some more in the bucket.
Or before make the sandcastle.
Yep, put some more sand in the bucket. What's up, legend?
And put it behind it.
Yep, we're gonna put it right next to it.
I thought I'm gonna make it on sandcastle.
We are. What you over there doing? Oh.
You know where this is, Daddy? That right there. You see it right here.
Uh-huh. You still building the sand castle? What happened to this one?
I'm gonna do that.
We're gonna do that one in a minute.
Yeah.
All right. Is it cold?
No, it's not cold.
Uh-oh.
Get over with it.
Man, I was out here reminiscing, just hanging out with my kids. Man, I think the first time I ever went to a beach was, man, I can't remember. Had to be early 20s. Can't remember going to the beach as a kid or growing up. I don't know, Mom, correct me if I'm wrong. Have I ever been to the beach?
Yeah.
What, you say yeah?
Yeah.
Did I go to the beach when I was younger? I'm talking about when I was younger. When I was a kid.
Oh.
Not right now.
Oh.
My son think I'm talking about right now.
At the beach, the baby in my stomach and me and you went at the beach. That's that.
No, I'm talking about when I was a kid. When I was your age.
Oh.
I don't know. I can't remember going to the beach, you know, at 5, 6 years old or even 10, 15 or 20. I can't remember, son, when I was a kid. But I was just trying to reflect. I know I started to really go to the beach when I got stationed in San Diego in 2009. Stationed in California, that's when I started to go to the beach, Mission Beach. And ever since then, man, I just fell in love with it. It ain't nothing like the water. My son in there, that little joker, and went to sleep. He was just up squirming around. So yeah, I think, yeah, it had to be 2009, first time for me really going to the beach. Now I'm talking about not to pass by and just see the water. I'm talking about to actually go to the beach, hang out, play in the sand, get sand in my toes, got my chair out there. That's what I'm talking about, the real beach experience. I'm talking about actually going in the water. I ain't gonna, we got our legs wet today, or we about to go get them wet again. But can't get too deep in the water with this little guy today. But I was just sitting back reminiscing on that, you know, thinking about, man, I done came a long way, you know. I done came a long way. Now I'm able to give my kids the experience I never had, you know. But big shout out to my mom, big shout out to my dad, you know. Without them, it wouldn't be no me. They did the best they could, you know. They did the best they could. They showed me some good stuff in life, you know. So now I want to show my kids something different, though. I'm glad I was introduced to the things I was introduced in my life, because that's what made me, you know. So like I say, man, big shout out to my mom and my dad, you know. I love both of them. Love both of y'all, man. So we out here kicking it. About to go in the water. Come on, son. Let's go ahead and go in the water.
Okay, coming.
You coming?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on.
All right. Hold on.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go. So yeah, we about to go ahead and get our feet wet and enjoy this moment. That's what it's about.
Cold again.
It's gonna be cold again. That's why you gotta get used to it. There you go. Oh yeah. That water is cold. You gotta get used to it again. Come on, let's walk out a little bit more.
That be going in the sharks.
Sharks? Ain't no sharks this close. I hope not. Oh. It ain't that cold right now. Some waves coming in. Said some good waves about to come in right now. Oh.